Rainy season na naman, and it's a great time na mag-check ng mga property kung binahaba ang mga ito. That's why, on this video, we will show you a property na sure na hindi binabaha, located inside a exclusive subdivision dito sa Alaminos City, Pangasinan. Kaya watch out po lang ang video na to, and we will show you this wonderful property. On this video, we will show you a corner lot located in Mercedeside Subdivision Phase 2. Maganda ang property wherein you can build your dream home. Kaya tara, puntahan natin. Morning home buyers, behind me is the available property for sale here in Mercedeside Subdivision, located sa Neptune Street, corner Atlas Street. Block number 6, lot number 2, with a lot area of 221 square meter. It's a corner lot, kaya very ideal siya para sa mga client na naghahanap ng mga prime location. For example, this property is facing in the 10-meter wide roads, both Neptune and Atlas. It's available for installment and cash payment. Pwede siya through bank financing, starting from 17,000 per month. You can own this property. And malay mo, kung magustuhan mo, right now, meron mga promo kami na pwede nyo ma-avail. Kaya kung gusto mong malaman more details about this property, comment ka lang ng price. We will send you the computation and buying guidelines para sa property na to. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Don't wait too long dahil nag-iisa lang ang corner lot na to. And wala nang iba nito na facing sunrise. Kaya, looking forward to see you here in Mercedeside Subdivision. I'm Anton, the Regional Manager here in Mercedeside Subdivision, Jamaica Realty Marketing Corporation. See you guys.